Every year, designers and inventors come up with hundreds of useful tools and gadgets that make our lives easier. Let's review the most interesting devices that have recently popped up. So, here we've got 16 superb inventions that everyone should have at home. Number 1. Easy to use plug. This plug not only looks beautiful and elegant, but it's also very easy to use. The hole in the middle of the plug allows you to easily pull it out of the outlet. The light on the inside of the hole reminds you if you've left a device plugged in by mistake. Number 2. Washing machine with space for an extra load. Have you ever loaded your laundry into the washer, switched it on, and realized that you still had a mountain of clothes you forgot to put in? Then this machine is for you. You can put additional clothes into the machine while it washes through a little door on top of the main door. What a great idea! Number 3. Light bulb business card. This handy little thing might be useful for those who always lose something in their bag. To switch on the light, simply fold the bulb upwards at a 90-degree angle. This flashlight fits both in your pocket and your wallet, so wherever you go, you can keep this handy device on you. Number 4. Onion holder. Here is one for the kitchen. Want to quickly slice up an onion? Simply keep the onion in place with this device and start cutting. Ingenious! Number 5. Sensor for finding things. If you often leave things in one place and forget where, and end up wasting time looking for them, these Pixie sensors are just what you need. For the device to work, attach it to a keychain or wallet and install a special app on your smartphone. You will see a virtual map showing you the location of the thing you lost. It will be marked with a cross. Number 6. Sign projector for bikers. This original idea was developed by an Azerbaijani designer named Elnur Babayev. The Cycli projector allows bikers to let other drivers know their upcoming movement on the road. Also, the projector makes them more visible in the dark. Attach it to the seat, and the signs light up automatically depending on your movements. Number 7. Lemon Air Humidifier. You can use this gadget as a home or car humidifier to effectively remove dust and clean the air inside to prevent colds. Also, it helps get rid of the problem of static electricity. Aseptic humidification can eliminate fatigue and bring you a pleasant mood. Number 8. Pillow for long-distance partners. Studio Interaction Design has developed a unique pillow for couples who always want to be together but are in a long-distance relationship. The gadget is very easy to use. When one of the partners goes to sleep, a sensor in his or her pillow sends a signal to the other pillow, and the latter lights up with a nice warm light. If you hug the pillow tightly, you can hear the heartbeat of your beloved. Number 9. Lock for lids. This is a great tool for those who dislike that old expression, first come, first served. Now, only you or anyone who knows the code to unlock the gadget can open the jar containing something delicious. This seems to be my favorite invention ever. Number 10. Shower for dogs. With this device, you can wash your lovely pets much easier. It also provides a nice massage for them. Give your pets some spa time. Number 11. Alarm clock with coffee machine. Getting up in the morning is much more pleasant when you feel the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. British designer Joshua Renouf came up with this ingenious device. This alarm clock can make a cup of coffee for you. Hope one day we'll get an alarm with a toaster too. Number 12. Spoon scales. If you have trouble measuring quantities of ingredients by sight alone, this one might come in handy. An electronic display on the spoon shows a very precise weight, up to 300 grams. That's another kitchen problem solved. Number 13. Functional bed-like stands. These plastic devices have both USB sockets and ordinary power outlets. Now you can charge your phone and tablet right by your bed. Number 14. Spoon with a clip. This day has finally come. You can attach a spoon right on your beverage. It will no longer sink into your glass. Number 15. Portable smartphone keyboard. Although this device is not all that new, it's worth mentioning in our list. This well-made and highly portable keyboard is great for typing documents. Also, it makes surfing the net more comfortable. Number 16. Pan for 5 dishes. Look at this one! Now, to prepare eggs, pancakes, bacon, and other traditional ingredients for a fry-up, you don't need many pans. You can fit all these things into one like this, the Master Pan. It has a non-stick coating and 5 different sections, and the best part is, you have just one pan to wash. So, what do you think? Let us know which device you find the handiest in the comments below down. If you've enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay with us